Cherokee language is very important, and that is the language that was given to us. As time went on, we've lost it. We haven't completely lost it. There's still some that are able to understand, read and write. But to the ones that's keeping it and trying to work at it all the time and using it, it's very important to them. I'm glad I'm a Cherokee. I don't want to be anybody else. I am who I am. That's the way God created me. I still thank the Lord that I can still do what I can do. At 81, I am very thankful. I thank the Lord each day that I can still walk, see, do things, all that we're created for, it still works. That's what I'm thankful for every day. It's been a long road, but to me, it's a good road.